Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about scholarships in Singapore University of Technology and Design. So there are three scholarships we can see for graduate scholarships. The scholarship listed below are tenable for graduate studies at Singapore University of Technology and Design. SUTD Graduate Fellowship scholarships, here you can see PhD present graduate scholarship fellowship open to all nationalities. Awardee will receive scholarship will cover the applicable tuition fee for up to 4 years and monthly stipend as follow. So for Singapore citizen they will provide 4,500 Singapore dollars, and for Singapore permanent resident this amount, and for international student this is the scholarship stipend. Central Provident Fund contribution shall be provided at a rate pegged to the prevailing employer's contribution rate set by the Central Provident on the top of monthly stipend received. International student must perform teaching laboratory supervision duties to fulfill the requirements for the subsidized fees. And another scholarship here is PhD fellowship open to all nationalities, and same, and the scholarship monthly stipend is a little less compared to the PhD president graduate fellowship. Now we can see here Central Provident Fund contribution shall be provided at a rate pegged to the prevailing employer's contribution rate set by the CBF on top of monthly stipend received. International student must perform teaching laboratory supervision duties to fulfill the requirements for the subsidized fee, and scholars who have passed the PhD qualifying examination will eligible for additional stipend up to 500 per month. So they will add 500 more if you will pass the PhD qualifying examination. Another scholarship here we have SUTD in Research Fellowship open to all nationalities, and awardees will receive the scholarship will cover the applicable tuition fee and monthly stipend. Here you can see, and same. Now here we can take a look. Here we can take a look SUTD DSO graduate fellowship. This is open to Singapore citizen only, possess at least bachelor's degree or above with excellent understanding, have strong interest in defense research, artificial intelligence, 4 year of tuition fee, 4 year of employment as a research staff, explore defense ecosystem with internship opportunities at local defense technology community. And here we can see Economic Development Board Industrial Postgraduate Program applicable for PhD master students, open to Singapore citizen and permanent resident, and full tuition fee, monthly salary. Another one is SUTD scholarship, and this one is for Singapore citizen permanent resident. It's not for the international students. Another type of scholarship we can take a look here, the external fellowship programs. So these are open to all nationalities. These two programs you can take a look: A-Star scholarship and AISG PhD fellowship program. Now this is open to all nationalities, while another one we can take a look here, Singapore citizen and Singapore permanent resident. These scholarships only for Singapore citizen and Singapore permanent resident, and this one is only for Singapore citizens. So these are external scholarships which you can apply. You can take a look. A-Star scholarships, it's a good scholarship. I had made the video before for that scholarship, you can take a look. So yeah, and here we can see now how you can apply for that scholarship. It is very simple to apply for that scholarship. Just click here, apply, and here you need to first create the account, then log in and submit your application. And if you will have any question related to submission of the application or any other question related to scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel, and kindly guys uh, subscribe, because we daily upload the videos for you. And yeah, I wish you best of luck. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.